No, CGP is not wasting time. It's a real thing that is awaying the people, society, and the student among the society. They are just, it's a one community that is really promoting the camps that just aware guys and open your eyes. It's a last time because lot time we have seen lot of problems keep like paper leak, corruption thing are happening, and we know about this, but nobody is here to raise their voice. But it's a one group that want to real the result. They want just to India to just develop and just make it in a good way and honest way. That's why they are doing this thing. And CGP, the one group that is just doing it, they are just doing the best job according to my point of view. But because they are those people, those who are stopping the corruption, the paper leaking problems, that still they are not solved. But we want 100% result. That's why they are doing their best and their hard work.
So CDP is just wasting their time. Like in this country, if you want to draw the attention from the audience, from the government, so until the big company happen, we cannot draw any kind of attention. Like take an example of the kind of the near par, and there are so many like one of the building goes in fire, burn in fire. Take example of the Kota, the one of the kind of building of the students, they are burning in the fire, and now and we are just hiding the our past road. Like about the there are so many kind of village with too much underdeveloped. Like even not in the village like about the educator, like the school, the too much underdeveloped. Like about the teacher, how the way they are teaching, the education is not totally trash.
I think CJP is not wasting their time in Jantar Mantar, because the thing that we all are suffering, because we all are the youth of this country, we all are the future of this nation. They are becoming the voice of this youth, because nobody has ever done the task that they have ever achieved. Nowadays they have achieved. They have achieved so far that we know that who is the education minister. No one ever known that before. Have you ever got the idea that how many paper leaked have done in last 12 years? Nobody knows that, because they are very much in hidden the places. But after the CJP protest, we all got to know that there is not a very much good thing doing running in India. They are already has 14 paper leaked, which are very much SSC ranked paper, which are caused a lot of life and lot of time of the precious time of the student of this country. So I think they are not wasting their time. They are doing really good thing for the future of this nation.